Case name Praveet, age is 20 years. Today date is 3rd June 2024 and a complaint of high pitch voice even after puberty. From which place you came? Why you came? We want speech sample before voice therapy.
I'm from Vanapati, Telangana, and my problem is high pitched voice, and I feel I lack confidence when I speak with strangers.
What happens when you talk to the strangers?
Even when I talk to them directly also, my voice is not normal, like it's abnormal to others. When I speak through mic or through phone, they couldn't recognize me, like whether I'm male or female.
Voice sample after therapy. So I need speech sample after treatment. Why you came here and on which date you came and today is what date?
I came here on 3rd June and today is 10th June.
2024.
2024, 10th June.
Mm-hmm.
So it is the 8th day of my therapy, and my voice has improved a lot.
What feedback you are getting when you are calling to your friends and relative on the phone?
When I call them, they were like, "Who are you? You are not Praveet. No chance that you are Praveet." Like later on I had to video call them and prove them that I am Praveet.
So what is your mother tongue?
Telugu.
So can you tell in Telugu why you came here and how do you feel after this 8 days of the voice therapy?
నేను ఇక్కడికి రావడానికి కారణం ఏంటంటే నా వాయిస్ కొంచెం మెత్తగా ఉంటుంది, మాట్లాడేటప్పుడు ఎక్కువ మంది గుర్తుపట్టలేరు నేను అంటే మగన ఆడన అనేటట్టు. కాబట్టి ఇక్కడికి వచ్చాను, థెరపీ తీసుకున్నాను. ఇది నా 8వ రోజు. వాయిస్ చాలా ఇంప్రూవ్ అయింది. సార్కి చాలా థ్యాంక్స్ చెప్పాలని అనుకుంటున్నాను.
Okay, so can we use your video for awareness purpose at our social media pages?
Sure, sir, absolutely.
Thanks for the permission. And those who are watching this video, if you are able to see any positive change, like this video, share this video, so that people having problem can reach to a right place and they can get some motivation. Thank you. Thanks for watching.